ready. Drivers ready. Watch the lights. All right, nice wheel stand out of the Hopeful Monster Energy. Big tight turn. Monster Energy takes the win.
Yeah, rear steer.
Good job.
Yeah.
Cameras are ready. All right, cameras are ready. Drivers ready. Watch the light. All right, give her a shot, Mr. Destruction. Whoa, that was a good race there. Mr. Destruction takes it. Yeah, Stevie with the perfect mixer versus Cody of the white TRX6. Cameras ready. Cameras are ready. Drivers ready. Watch the light. All right, off the hole. We got a pretty good team start. Oh, TRX6. That big old computer. Nice, good job. Ready? Watch the lights. Look at this high-speed action right here. It's like, oh no! Lorana's gonna get it. He got caught up on the cone. Oh man.
Hey, the Camaro looked good though.
Slow is fast.
Cameras ready. Watch the light. Corner. What is that? The rival Troy has putting Monster Energy back on the scale.
Drivers ready? Watch the lights. All right, the Stampede's off to a first lead. Whoa, look at that finish. I think the Stampede barely just got him. All right, good race. Drivers, are you ready?
One sec.
Oh, sorry.
Driver's not ready.
Drivers not ready. Hold on. All right. Drivers ready. Watch the lights. All right, Trent's getting a little lead with the big foot. Nice turn. Whoa.
I think
Oh, he broke the arm.
I think the
Busted.
TRX might have failed.
All right, let's get this. All right, guys. Cameras are ready. All right, drivers ready. Watch the lights. Watch this. There's a bit of a mishap right here. Digger takes it.
Solid effort.
All right, the drivers are not ready, dancing around the course. Are the drivers now ready? Watch the light. Get ready. Stampede, good game, but they both crossed double penalty.
Re-race it.
Rerun it.
Rerun it.
We're gonna do a rematch of sudden death garage. Fast, cameras ready, drivers ready. Watch the light. We're going racing. Stampede, to the top, living up to its name, putting Troy awesome.
All right, so we have cameras ready.
Yep.
Cameras are ready. Drivers ready.
Yep.
Watch the lights. Wow, that's your X6 coming right out of the hole. Oh, Cody gets him at the line. Cameras ready. Drivers ready. Watch the light. This is your final. Oh, and the Texas Stampede gets it. Good job, Mike.
All right, Mike, you did a great job today in open class. Bracket 2 winner today.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about this Texas Stampede that you beat everybody with.
It's a stock Traxxas Stampede 4x4 out of the box. And I have no reverse, so like I did today, but I did really well in the second round.
Man, he beat us with a stock Traxxas Stampede. Proof is in the pudding, guys. Fast isn't always the best. Sometimes slow is in control. This truck proved it today. So good job, Mike. We'll see you out there in the next round.
Awesome, thank you.
Awesome, man.